In this example, I will go for a definition called arithmetic mean. If A comma B are two numbers, A plus B by 2 is called arithmetic mean. Root AB is called geometric mean. This is called GM, this is called AM. And always AM greater than or equal to GM. Now you have f of x is cos square x plus secant square x. Now this is cos square x plus 1 by cos square x. You treat this as A and you treat this as B. AM is equal to cos square x plus secant square x by 2. A plus B by 2. GM is root of AB, that is cos square x into secant square x, which is 1. So AM greater than or equal to GM will give us cos square x plus secant square x by 2 greater than or equal to 1. Cos square x plus secant square x greater than or equal to 2. So f of x greater than or equal to 2. That's how you calculate.